Think you're crushing your incline dumbbell press? Let me guess. You feel the burn in your shoulders, your arms fatigue first, and your chest barely pumps up. Here's the hard truth. Most people are wasting 60% of this movement's power just because of one simple mistake in how they set up.
But not you. Not after this video. Because today, I'm breaking down exactly how to press smarter, not heavier, and finally make your upper chest grow like it should.
All right, let's start where everyone messes up, the setup. You've seen it 100 times, bench set too high, dumbbells bouncing off the chest, elbows flaring like wings. When your bench is at 45 degrees or higher, guess what happens? Your shoulders steal the show. Your chest becomes a side character.
And when your elbows flare out at 90 degrees, it's like asking your shoulder joint to play Russian roulette. That grinding pain you feel, that's your rotator cuff begging for mercy.
But here's the catch. Even if your angle and elbows are fine, most people still mess up the path of the dumbbells.
They press straight up, like this. That turns your chest into a stabilizer, not the prime mover.
So if your upper chest feels flat or underdeveloped, it's not genetics, it's mechanics. And the fix? Simpler than you think.
Step 1. Bench angle. Set it between 25 to 30 degrees. That's your sweet spot. It targets the clavicular head of your pecs, not your shoulders. Think of it as the upper chest activation zone.
Step 2. Feet placement. Plant them flat on the ground, slightly behind your knees. They're not decoration, they're your anchor. If your feet move, your power leaks. Step 3. Shoulder blades. Pull them back and down, like you're trying to pinch a pencil between them. This locks your chest open and stabilizes your pressing base. And your lower back? Slight arch, not a bridge. Your spine is your foundation. Keep it firm but natural. Think of your body like a skyscraper. If the base wobbles, the top collapses. Solid foundation, stable press.
Now here's where the magic happens. When you lift the dumbbells, imagine squeezing them toward each other, even though they're not touching. This engages your chest fibers way more than just pushing up.
Don't press straight up. Press up and slightly toward the midline, like you're forming a triangle over your chest. Now correct it. See how the upper chest contracts? That's the difference between just lifting and actually building. And here's the tempo secret. Don't rush it. Lower the dumbbells for 2 to 3 seconds, pause slightly at the bottom, and then press up with control. Your muscle grows on tension, not momentum. Ask yourself, are you training your chest or just moving weights around? If you've nailed the basics, here's how to level up. Neutral grip variation. Turn your palms slightly inward. This hits your upper pec fibers even deeper while reducing shoulder strain. Squeeze at the top. At full extension, bring the dumbbells close. Feel that hard contraction for 1 full second. That's where you tell your chest, you're doing the work. Don't lock out completely. Keep a micro bend at the top to maintain constant tension. Your goal is to make the chest do the talking from start to finish. Small tweak, big difference. Let's recap your blueprint for perfect incline dumbbell presses.
Bench angle, 25 to 30 degrees. Feet anchored, core tight. Shoulder blades pulled back and down. Dumbbells pressed slightly inward, not straight up. Controlled tempo, feel every inch of the movement.
Do that, and your chest won't just grow. It'll change shape. That upper pec shelf you've been chasing, this is how you build it. Now here's my challenge for you. Grab a pair of dumbbells, set your bench right, and do 10 flawless reps. No ego, no bounce. Just control and connection. Feel how different it is? That's what real progress feels like. If this video helped you fix your form, hit that like button, share it with a gym buddy who needs it, and drop a comment telling me what exercise you want fixed next. Because remember, strong isn't just lifting heavy. Strong is lifting right. I'll see you in the next one. Train smart, stay relentless.